Me like.
Hey guys, welcome back. So one of the fun things I get to do, companies send me stuff and they want me to review their products. Like, great, I'll review your product. I'm gonna give my honest opinion on it though. So Nicoko sent me this. This is their 22-inch LED light bar. We're gonna do a review and installation of it, so let's check it out. So it looks like we get a standard wire harness. Ah, cool. The remote. Certainly seems to be packaged pretty well. And there's our light bar. Looks like die-cast aluminum, pretty typical design. You got your cooling fins on the back. The gasket around the edge actually looks pretty good. There's a little bit of spillage over here on the edges where the gasket, you can kind of see some white coming through here. Not a huge deal. I would rather the gasket be too much than not enough. I definitely want it to be waterproof. You got a little thing, looks like a spring on the side over here. I assume this is the little receiver for the remote. But overall, seems like decent construction. So the light bar itself, from mounting bracket to mounting bracket, is 22 inches long. The lighted LED section is 20 inches. Now it's a 120 watt LED light bar, and it has this halo ring around it that has 10 solid colors. There's over 72 modes this thing will go into, so that's pretty cool. It looks like it has 8 floodlights on each side and 24 spotlights in the middle. And of course, I'll include a link in the description below of this exact one where you can find it. And it also comes with a 2-year warranty. So hey, if they're willing to warranty their product for 2 years, cool. Any water gets in there underneath that lens or anything, yeah, it's going back, I'm getting a new one. One thing it is lacking, there is absolutely no installation instructions. Fortunately, it's pretty easy. I know how to install a light bar. So a pretty cool thing about this kit, it comes with everything you need to get started. So let's do that. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a closer look at this wire harness. We've got our relay and fuse, positive and negative, that we're going to hook up to the battery. And then we run up here. This is the wires we're going to actually hook up to the light itself. And then across back to the firewall, we've got the switch that we're going to run through the firewall into the cab. So yeah, wiring is pretty easy. You got the red one here hooked up to the red terminal. Zip ties on all the extra wire. Boy, and there is plenty of wire. I mean, there's feet of this stuff, so wherever you want to put it, it'll be pretty good. I got my black one here. When I'm all done, I'm going to hook that up to the black terminal there. And then get everything kind of zip tied out of the way. And fed the switch through the firewall right there, which brings it up on into the cab, and I'll permanently mount this later. I'm not 100% sure where I want it permanently mounted, but I'm thinking this might be a good spot for now. And we're going to run the wire from the back of the light here and hook it up to the wire coming out from the engine compartment here. One thing that is lacking, it would be nice if they had like a quick connect here. I'm just going to have to splice these guys into the wire harness here, but it'll work. And I'll zip tie all this down and tape it up real good, and maybe even solder this later. But for now, let's test it. pretty darn cool. It has like 1,000,000 modes, well, maybe over 70, and it is bright. Check this out. So overall, a fun little light bar, but all the functions of this, all the different colors, things it'll do, it's just kind of fun. Neat little remote, pretty easy to install. I mean, just a basic wiring system. A few little things they could improve on some of the connections, but overall, easy install. Should be a fun little light. Thanks for watching and have a good day. And it does all these different colors.
I like the blue. I like the red.
I like the purple.
I like the other. I like the purple. Wait, Dad, do the other blue one.
Ooh,
that
one.
That's cool.
Door's awfully white. Just turn it. There we go. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back.